Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Subaru BRZ. To begin, ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface and the parking brake is engaged. For the front, find the central crossmember, which is a strong, reinforced bar located behind the front bumper. Carefully position your hydraulic floor jack here. Once lifted, place your jack stand securely under the pinch welds just behind the front wheels. These are reinforced areas designed to support the vehicle's weight. Now, let's move to the rear of your BRZ. The ideal central jack point here is the rear differential housing. Make sure your jack's pad is centered and has full contact with the differential to prevent any slipping. Slowly raise the vehicle until the rear wheels are off the ground. Then, just like the front, place your jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds located just in front of the rear wheels. Always lower the car gently onto the stands. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Always use at least 2, and preferably 4, jack stands to support your BRZ once it's lifted. Never, ever work under a car that is only supported by a hydraulic jack. Remember to chock the wheels that are still on the ground to prevent any accidental movement. Always perform this work on a hard, level surface like concrete or asphalt, as soft ground can cause your equipment to sink or tip. To safely jack up your BRZ, you'll need a good quality hydraulic floor jack and at least 2, but ideally 4, jack stands. A low-profile jack might be necessary due to the BRZ's ground clearance. Additionally, using pinch weld adapters on your jack stands can help protect your car's frame from damage. Always double-check your owner's manual for specific jacking points and procedures. And hey, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.